Have you ever counted the countless hours you've spent doing physically draining chores like digging, hauling, or scrubbing floors? Imagine if smart machines could take care of those exhausting tasks for you. In today's showcase, we're diving into 36 incredible devices that could transform how you view manual labor, featuring everything from autonomous lifters and robotic wheelbarrows to wearable power suits, and even a bed that straightens itself. It's time to discover how modern technology can free you from the grind of daily chores. The Apogee Plus is a wearable robotic belt aimed at those who frequently lift, twist, or work in challenging positions. Designed with ergonomic support in mind, it promotes proper posture and can ease strain on your back by as much as 60%. Its fully adjustable design means it fits just about anyone, and it simplifies heavy lifting so much your spine might feel like it's on vacation. With Apogee Plus, hard labor becomes far more bearable. Think of the laundry jet as a futuristic laundry chute powered by vacuum force. Just toss in your dirty clothes, and they'll vanish into the laundry room like magic. No more lugging heavy baskets. Available in systems ranging from single-room use to luxury 8-port configurations, Laundry Jet is tailored to suit all kinds of homes and budgets. Your socks won't end up in another dimension, but they will arrive exactly where they belong. Meet the Dynamo 500 from Adverb Robotics, a robotic warehouse assistant that moves pallets with razor-sharp precision and speed. This autonomous workhorse uses advanced mapping and data processing to streamline logistics, minimizing downtime and labor costs. While you're home unwinding, this machine keeps operations flowing. Writers and editors will appreciate Word Runner, a mechanical keyboard designed to tally your word count in real time. Whether you're writing novels or drafting web content, it brings a game-like thrill to typing by treating each word like a point scored. Reach 42,000 words? You've just hit the writer's equivalent of a marathon. Priced at $350. Word Runner makes writing feel like sport. Oreo is a fully autonomous farming robot built to handle both planting and weeding with impressive precision. Whether you're managing a small garden or a massive field, Oreo's quartet of 3,000-watt electric motors and onboard navigation system ensure weeds get eliminated like they owe the machine money. Stan is a valet robot that does the parking for you. It lifts your vehicle, transports it, and places it gently into a parking spot. It can move up to 7 vehicles per hour, supporting cars up to 2.6 tons. A single charge provides up to 20 hours of operation, and its onboard sensors constantly scan for obstacles, making your parking lot smarter and safer. Box Parking is another automated car storage system that maximizes space by arranging vehicles far more tightly than conventional garage ramps. Think of it as urban parking's answer to Tetris, perfectly stacking your car into the smallest footprint possible, ideal for high-traffic areas with minimal space. The CallGen Ergo Rider is a battery-powered lift system that functions like a motorized conveyor arm, built to ease the burden of handling packages in tight loading zones. It's far more nimble than a forklift and so easy to operate. It makes your phone's instruction manual look like quantum physics. Imagine waking up to a perfectly made bed without lifting a finger. That's what the Smart Duvet delivers. With separate temperature settings for each side and a quiet air inflation system, it tidies up your sheets and keeps both sleepers comfortable. Controlled via an app, it starts at $1,000 and promises a neater room with zero effort. The Samsung AirDresser is like a dry cleaner in your home. Using dual streams of air and steam, it penetrates fabrics to remove odor, dust, and wrinkles, handling all the details while you go about your day. Priced at $2,264, it's perfect for anyone who wants wrinkle-free clothes without ironing. Imagine drifting on a lake, too tired to paddle back. The Bixby K1 motor turns your kayak or paddleboard into a powered vessel with 17 kilograms of thrust. Mount it with a single bolt and go further with less effort. It's available for $750 and ideal for long water, adventures, or lazy afternoons. Who needs a personal chef when you have the Good Bites robotic kitchen? Capable of preparing over 3,000 recipes, this smart cooking system handles everything from prep to plating. Its sleek interface makes operation simple, and you'll never have to clean up another sauce-splattered stovetop. No tips required. Carrying. Golf clubs is so last century. The Rivera Neo is a GPS-enabled golf caddy that autonomously follows you, navigates the course, and carries your gear. It avoids obstacles, arrives right where you need it, and is app-controlled. At $1,700, it's the perfect sidekick that won't criticize your swing. Walker S1 from Ubtech is a humanoid robot built for industrial work. Outfitted with advanced AI, mapping capabilities, and motion precision, it seamlessly handles tasks alongside human co-workers. With natural movement and round-the-clock reliability, it's the tireless factory teammate you've always wanted, and it never files HR complaints. Hauling heavy boxes upstairs used to be brutal, until the lift car SAL came along. This electric's stair climber can carry up to 170 kilograms and tackle 2,000 steps on a single charge. Whether you're making deliveries or moving equipment, it's like having a portable elevator in your hands. The carbon hand glove amplifies your grip with pressure-sensitive sensors. The harder you try to hold something, the more it helps. With 5 sizes and a compact power pack worn on your waist or back, it's a game changer for manual laborers and rehab patients alike. Iron Hand 2.0 is an advanced assistive glove designed for those with weak grip strength. It detects your hand motions with built-in sensors and provides a boost exactly when needed. Elderly users and those with limited mobility can now handle tools and perform delicate work more easily, without trembling or fatigue setting in. Say goodbye to back-breaking yard work with the eBarrow kit. This bolt-on electric wheel transforms your standard wheelbarrow into a powered workhorse in under 4 minutes. Whether you're hauling dirt in your backyard or concrete on a job site. The built-in motor and robust battery system give you serious muscle without the sweat. With a starting price of $350, this kit turns a regular wheelbarrow into your new favorite coworker, minus the complaints and coffee breaks. Meet the VitaLoad Navigator 2.0, a high-tech crane assistant that keeps your lifts smooth and safe. This smart system processes over 1,000 measurements per second to track load movement in real time, using directional fans to prevent dangerous swinging or shifting. Ideal for crowded work sites or spots with sketchy GPS. It stays on target with accuracy down to 1 degree. This is load control with surgical precision. No guesswork, just results. Introducing Ovis, the first ever suitcase with built-in artificial intelligence. Using cameras and obstacle-avoiding sensors, this smart luggage shadows you through terminals and hotel lobbies, dodging people and furniture along the way. If you set to stray too far, it auto-locks for security. Whether you're sprinting for a gate or wandering in circles, Ovis stays faithfully by your side. For $439, it's like hiring a silent, rolling travel assistant. Think of XVEZ, Shoulder X as an exosuit designed to fight fatigue, not villains. Developed by Hyundai and Kia, this wearable tech reduces joint strain during repetitive overhead work. Perfect for painters, maintenance crews, or installers. It supports your upper body like a mechanical spotter, helping you stay productive, without wrecking your shoulders. Think of it as extra muscle that doesn't need a lunch break. Say hello to Line Ranger, an industrial bot that glides along high-voltage wires while they're still live. No shutdowns needed. It inspects up to 20 kilometers of power lines per day, scanning for wear, damage, and other red flags using precision sensors and advanced navigation. Finally, there's a safer, smarter way to inspect what used to be risky, slow, and very manual work. The Sparco's TN70 is more than just a floor scrubber. It's an autonomous cleaning system built for large commercial buildings. Outfitted with a ESET half-meter wide brush, 100 amp-hour battery, and smart pething tech, this bot tackles grime and airborne microbes in one go. It navigates spaces better than most employees know the lunchroom layout, and never once asks for a raise. The Akara Curtain Motor E1 gives you app-controlled access to your curtains, letting you schedule open-close times or operate them with a tap. A built-in light sensor adjusts for changing brightness, and the unit can support up to 12 kilograms of drapery. Seamlessly compatible with major smart home platforms, it glides more smoothly than you rolling over to dodge the sunrise. The Yarbo Snowblower S1 is a fully autonomous snow clearing machine that checks the weather, plans its own route, and recharges itself automatically. Whether it's powder or slush, it gets the job done, saving you an hour of manual shoveling with just 6% battery use. For $5,000, you're investing in a snow removal specialist who never complains about the cold. From the same company comes the Yarbo Lawn Mower M1, a robotic mower built to handle up to 25,000 square meters of terrain. Dual cutting blades, stereo vision sensors, and slope handling up to 35 degrees make this the ultimate lawn care companion. Control mowing height and scheduling from the app. Price tag, $800. The HVZ Eco Suction Cup makes tile installation smoother, faster, and more precise. Designed to assist both pros and DIYers, this ergonomic suction cup acts like an extra hand, one that never slips or gets tired. It reduces physical strain and costly breakages, turning tiling into a job of finesse rather than frustration. NASA's Razor robot is a futuristic excavator designed for off-Earth construction. Built to operate in low gravity, it scoops up regolith, local, soil, for building future lunar and Martian habitats. By mining and processing what's already there, Razor could help humans settle space with materials that don't need a ride from Earth. No cape, no lasers, just smart. World-building tech. The Mule MZ100, Material Unit Lift Enhancer, is like a mechanical assistant for masons, lifting up to 45 kilograms of blocks and placing them precisely where needed. It works up to 32 hours per charge, then takes just 3.5 hours to recharge. No fatigue, no sore backs, just efficiency. Every construction site could use one of these quiet power lifters. Wee's Wheeled Industrial Mover redefines warehouse cargo handling. Built to carry loads up to 5 tons at walking speed, 4 kilometers per hour, it slashes worker strain while speeding up logistics. It's like Tetris, but real-world heavy-duty. Expect to pay around $4,038 per unit. AceMate is the first robotic tennis coach that won't scold you for bad form. Whether you're a rookie or a regular on the court, it serves, analyzes your technique, and adapts your training. It can be run autonomously or adjusted via the app. And for $1,500, it's like having a private coach who never gets tired. Meet FirmMates, the self-cleaning litter box that eliminates the daily scoop chore. Its open design accommodates cats of all shapes and sizes, and it activates right after each visit. The waste container detaches easily for quick emptying. At $169, it's a small price to pay for not being the house janitor. The VCount Ultima AI is a next-gen people counter that tracks foot traffic with incredible precision, even in dark or crowded spaces. Using artificial intelligence, it provides real-time insights for optimizing business operations. It doesn't just count, it understands flow, patterns, and maybe even who forgot to shut off the lights. The Westphalia trailer tarp makes cargo protection and handling a breeze. Its built-in manual conveyor belt system makes loading and unloading up to 80% faster. Designed for 140-centimeter trailers, it's built tough for any condition and installs quickly. Functional, efficient, and tough as nails. The Ryobi 18-Volt 1 Plus, scrubber with water feed, tackles large dirty surfaces like garage doors, greenhouses, or trucks with spinning power at 210 revolutions per minute. Its 15-centimeter brush head, adjustable pole up to 1.4 meters, and second handle make hard-to-reach areas easier than ever to clean. No more circus act ladder balancing. Price? $230.